What is up, everybody? It's Crypto Winter Bull here with another update on the hedron staking pool. So what I did is I advanced all the hedron on my HSI stake that I did. I got 5,564,000 hedron. I went ahead and I staked it into the hedron staking pool after paying 2 months in advance of the monthly payment. So I've been doing this will be the fourth payout. I've received 0.0434 ICOSA, and I've just kind of been documenting what the numbers have been looking like. So like I said, I made two payments up front. I spent 61,000 hedron to pay that. So with only 7,800 hex, it's not going to be ideal for you to actually do this with this amount of money. This is just for experimental purposes. Um, I just wanted to kind of try it out and document it all, see what the returns are like. And then once pulsechain finally does get released, all the gas fees and stuff will be so minuscule that anybody with any size of HSI stake, they'll be able to kind of utilize this strategy. So I'm just doing the strategy where I'm just going to sell all this ICOSA at the end of the 30-day stake and compound that into the staked hedron to get a tiny bit more ICOSA. Um, so then I'll record how much hedron I'm able to swap for it, and then as my payments come up in 2 months, around the middle of December, then I can kind of evaluate whether I can leave that hedron that I made staked or if I need to withdraw it. But we're just gonna see what happens on the liquidation dates, because I'm expecting at least a 50% increase in these numbers, because the amount of hedron that's going to be burnt is going to be way more, than 897 million in one day. I think it'll be in possibly the hundreds, if not trillions, per day for the first liquidations. So that's kind of what I'm expecting to happen. But still, right now, I mean, it's not bad. So all the ICOSA totaled up. If you were to sell the ICOSA every day for hedron, would be 11,700. So that's effectively a 38.35% return on your principal. So that this number is 38% of your 30,000 payment. So it's like not bad. Daily return average about 9.5% of your principal. So like that's really not that bad. But what really matters is what how much hedron I'll be able to swap for at the end of the 30 days. That's the biggest number I'm looking for. I'm just kind of trying to gauge how it's actually doing currently. Um, but it seems to be going well. I'm not quite so confident to do with any more money, to throw in any more money to take a loan out. But once, like I said, once Pulse Chain is released, I will probably, open up two, three, four, five HSI stakes, advance the hedron, and just start kind of trying to play around with the strategy a little bit and accumulate more hedron and you know make a decent return on your investment. Um, so the function was put in there for a reason. It's currently not being utilized at all, really, by anybody. Mainly because the economics of it right now are just not there. But I wanted to just play around with it, I spent $21 on gas. This is Canadian dollars, by the way. The value of the hedron was only 42.25 when I started, so that's about half. But hedron at three zeros and a one. Here, let's just kind of try. Let's put this into a calculator quick. Times 0.1231. So that's $550, right? Um, so it's like not that bad. I don't know. Yeah, it's all right, but I just really wanted to play around with it, so that was my reason. So the amount of hedron burnt has gone down. It's 897 million today. I think yesterday was like 2 billion or something like that. 3,488,000,000, and the return yesterday was a little bit more than it was today. So we're just gonna see how liquidations play out. Other than that, there's nothing much more that I have for this video. Oh, actually, let's take a look at the hedron price. So as you can see, we broke that 111 moving average, and we came up and we tagged that 200 moving average quite nicely, along with this upward sloping trend line. So we didn't break through. Like that was one of the situations I mentioned yesterday. If we didn't hold this trend line, that we would probably continue under. It bounced like we are hoping it would. There's no reason why this thing would turn bearish. It's just so bullish right now. All of the factors are leading in its direction. It's pumping into that liquidation market, into the liquidations that are happening in the middle of November. So this next move up, I think it will definitely get to the old highs there. We could see like a small retracement. So if we just do a measured move, peak to peak, 65%. So now if we move up another, let's say about 60%, that's the old highs. That's the peak of the old high. So definitely going to be keeping an eye on this throughout the next couple weeks. Yeah. So I think once we do penetrate these highs, we'll probably bounce around within this channel. If we don't bounce around in here, we're probably just gonna break up and possibly start going parabolic, because everybody will want to get their hands on that hedron to participate in the HSI liquidations. Let's just take a look at Hex here. So yeah, Hex has been pretty much ranging within this small little range here. Sorry, that's not really accurate. But yeah, we've been ranging between like 4 cents to like 3.8 cents. It did pierce this trend line here. So, but it got bought up right away. So we can count that as a bounce. If it does continue coming down, we'll probably bounce again here. And then make our way up back up to 4 cents. But I'm not really too keen on technical analysis. I just wanted to explain how I'm thinking about it. Do not take this as trading advice or anything like that. I just like looking at charts and trying to depict what I think is going to happen. I'm by no means a a technical trader or anything. There's a lot of other people that are a lot better at it than I am. But I'm just saying what I see, and if you enjoy what I say and how I look at the market, please like this video and subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you guys all have a good weekend. Crypto Winter Bull out.